Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why we can see a bounce here on the Fantom chart in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.2296 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also seen a break above this descending trend line, where you can see that we have now seen the breakout to the upper side in a move that has now given us a successful retest, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a reaction of this retest and continue gearing up, see a break above significant areas of resistances, get above the $0.27 mark, and a break above that we can easily see Fantom get above the $0.3 mark in the next coming days. We also have a chart pattern that has been in formation here on the charts, which can also easily give us a massive breakout to the upper side. And the chart pattern is a double bottom, having our common low at around the $0.2295 mark, which is a significant area of support, where you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive breakdown into that key area of support, giving us the first low down there. And after seeing that first low, we saw this bounce to the upper side, giving us a high at around the $0.33 mark, giving us the neckline for that chart pattern. But then after seeing the neckline, we saw this breakdown, giving us the second low. And there are high chances that as long as Fantom continues to hold above the $0.2295 mark, in the next coming days, we are going to see a very nice bounce to the upper side and see a break above the neckline for this chart pattern to the upper side once we manage to break above resistance. And then the moment we manage to break above the $0.33 mark, where I have the minimum target areas for the breakout out of this double bottom at around the $0.43 mark as a minimum. So that is a chart pattern that I'm also keeping my eyes on here on the Fantom chart. And that is what I'm expecting on the short term. And jumping to the 4-hour chart to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Fantom chart, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that second wave, and soon we are going to start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2. And in the formation of that wave 3, I'm expecting Fantom to get us above the $1 mark. And before we can confirm that we have a low in place for the second wave and we are now gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 3, we first need to see Fantom give us a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And the moment we see such a movement on the charts, then that is enough confirmation that the low for the second wave is in, and we are now getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And on the short term, I'm expecting a bit of a bounce in the next coming hours. And taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.